Hello everybody, thanks for dropping by again to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about this program called Finalmente Global. This program is actually not operating any longer, but then there is something interesting for us to learn from this program. Before that, for those who are not familiar with this program, let's just go over this statement here that I found from the website of the Passive Investor by Mr. Robert. So let me just read it. Finalmente Global Intro. Welcome to my Finalmente Global page. Finalmente Global FMG is a South African registered company located in Johannesburg. The company was formed by 3 partners mid-2019 and has been running successfully up to now. Finalmente in Spanish means finally, and in Italian means long-lasting. FMG offers a number of packages funded through Bitcoin. You lend your Bitcoin for a certain period of time, depends on plan. The Bitcoin you send goes to the company's hot wallet and distributed in various areas online. Those generate revenue and profits, which are then redistributed to the members. Packages start at $11 in Bitcoin. Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out. So that's the brief overview of what actually is Finalmente Global for those who are not familiar with this program, since it is no longer operating. Okay, so what's the status of this Finalmente Global currently? Well, it is currently in the insolvency stage. Okay, so this icon insolvency practitioners have been nominated as the insolvency company that will liquidate all the assets from Finalmente Global. So this is the latest circular by Icon Insolvency sent to members via email. Okay, so this one is dated 25th of March or 26th of March recently. Let me just go ahead and read it. We refer to the above matter as well as our previous circulars herein. Number 1, we refer to the above mentioned subject as well as the previous correspondence pertaining thereto. We confirm that during the course of our investigations into the trade, dealings and affair of Finalmente Global Private Limited, we have recovered 43 bitcoins which belong to Finalmente. The bitcoin was immediately converted into South Africa's currency, ZAR, and paid into the insolvent estate's bank account. We further confirms that our team is continuing with the investigations into the affairs of the insolvent company, and that the first insolvency inquiry was already held herein. We trust that more information will be provided to us upon the conclusion thereof, that might be eventually enable us to locate further assets belonging to Finalmente Global Private Limited. There have further been numerous inquiries relating to the possibility that Finalmente Global Private Limited was traded as an illegal Ponzi scheme. We are still in the investigating process, and at this stage we do not have enough information to our disposal to express an opinion as to whether this is indeed the case or not. Further to the above, we have also received numerous inquiries relating to a possible risk of contribution as well as possible dividends herein. We confirm that there is currently no risk of contribution and all proven creditors are likely to receive a dividend. There also seem to be a lot of inquiries pertaining to why the distribution and claims in this matter must be submitted in South Africa rands, ZAR, and not in Bitcoin. The reason for this is quite simply that we, as the liquidators, are under obligation to submit a liquidation and distribution account to the Master of the High Court for its approval upon the finalization of the estate. At this point in time, Bitcoin is not regarded as currency in terms of local legislation, but as an asset. Therefore, it must be liquidated to be included in a liquidation and distribution account. Only once all the assets have been liquidated, that is converted to currency, can a final liquidation and distribution account be submitted to the master. We therefore have no other alternative than to submit all the claims in ZAR, and any possible distribution herein will therefore also have to be paid out in ZAR, and if needed, it will be further converted to the applicable currency of the creditor. We would lastly like to confirm that we are obligated to communicate with the creditors herein only by way of formal correspondence. We can therefore not respond to any communication via WhatsApp, Telegram, or any other social media platforms. Should you have any inquiries, kindly direct same to us via email, and we shall attend thereto as soon as possible. We trust that it's so in order, and we will keep you abreast of any new development herein. We trust you find the above in order, and shall keep you abreast of further developments. Yours faithfully, W.J. Venter. That is the liquidators for this case, which is in the High Court of Johannesburg, South Africa currently. So that's the status, the latest status of the insolvency process of Finalmente Global. So that's all, guys. For today, I just want to talk about this Finalmente Global. Thank you for watching and listening. You take care and see you in the next video. Bye.